Hello dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you will be fine. My name is Engineer Shah. I am lecturer in Department of Technology, Sarhat University of Science and Information Technology in Peshawar. As I am teaching you the subject Design of Hydraulic Structure, today is your lecture number 16. In lecture number 16, we will study about spillways and different types of spillways. So first of all, what is spillway? The purpose of spillway is to pass flood water safely downstream when the reservoir is full. So spillways are used in dams to pass the flood water from upstream to downstream side, or from upstream of the reservoir to the downstream side of the reservoir. The spillway can be uncontrolled and controlled. Normally they are uncontrolled, but spillways can be made controlled. Here is a note. Concrete dams normally incorporate an overfall or a crust spillway, but embankment dams generally require a separate side channel or short spillway structure located adjacent to the dam. Next is the types of spillways. The types of spillways include overflow spillways, chute spillways, side channel spillways, shaft spillways, siphon spillways, and the last one is the service and emergency spillways. So these are the different types of spillways, and we will study them one by one. First one is the overflow spillway. So a section of a dam that allows water to pass over its crust, widely used on gravity, arch, and buttress dams. So overflow spillways are the section of the dam which allows the water to pass over its crust. As you can see in the figure, this is the overflow spillways. Here, in this case, the water pass over its crust on crust while these types of spillways are used in gravity dams, arch dams, and buttress dams. Next one is the chute spillways. They are formed by spillways that flow over a crust with a steep slope open channel. The chute width is often constant, and they may be narrowed for economy purposes, and also they may be widened to decrease the discharge velocity. So these are the chute spillways. They may be narrowed to decrease the for economy purposes, and also they in some cases they are widened to just to decrease the discharge velocity of the flow. So they are formed for the flow over a crust into the steep slope open channels. Next one is the side channel spillways. These spillways, the liquid or the water flow after passing over the crust is carried away in a channel through running parallel to the crust. So the spillways which are constructed parallel to the channel and the water flow over the crust and then carried away by these channels are known as the side channel spillways. As you can see in the figure, this is the crust level, and parallel to this crust level we have a channel, and the water moves over this crust level, and then through this channel the water is discharged from the reservoir. This is the side channel spillway at the Hoop Dam in Scotland. Next type is the shaft spillway. In this spillway, water runs through a vertical shaft in a foundation material through a horizontal conduit that conveys the water past the layer. These type of the spillways are often used where there is not enough room for other spillways, and also these are used for possible clogging with debris obstruction problems, screen and trash tracks protect inlet. So in this type of spillway, as you can see in the figure, a drop vertical shaft in a foundation material is constructed. The water drops through this vertical shaft and moves in the foundation material, and through that there is a conduit through which the water is conveyed or passed on the other side of the dam. These types of spillways are constructed where the room for other or the space for other spillways is not enough. So this type of spillways are constructed. Also, they are constructed for to reduce the clogging, also the screens and trash racks protect the inlet. Next one is the Cyclone spillway. In Cyclone spillway, an air vent is used automatically to maintain the water surface elevation. Large capacity is not needed and is good for limited space. So in Cyclone spillway, an air vent is used which automatically maintain the water surface and the surface elevation. And these are used when large capacity is not needed and they are good for limited spaces. At low flow, it acts like an overflow spillway, while at high flow, the Cyclone action removes the water through the structure and then the reservoir draws to the elevation and the upper lip of the entrance. This is the typical Cyclone spillway. This is the upstream side and this is the downstream side. Water enters on the inlet or on the upstream face of the Cyclone, and it moves through this Cyclone and moves to the downward side. The next one is the service and emergency spillway. These types of spillways are constructed for extra space on a project in rare cases for strict conditions, and also they are used to give the occurring outflow rates. This is the picture of the submerged spillway at Bangladesh. So such type of spillways which are constructed to extract the extreme flood water, or such type of spillways which are constructed as an extra spillway to provide a way for the flood water are known as the service and emergency spillways. Also, they are used frequently to remove the outflow rates. And this is the end of today's lecture.